Look where we're headed. It's Quartzsite time, baby. All right, we are here, Quartzsite, Arizona. I grew up here from the mid-70s all the way through the mid-80s. My 4th grade year all the way through high school. And then not too long after that is when I joined the Navy. But yeah, I'm excited to be back. I like to come through town quite a bit. As much as I can, I like to come out here and visit old friends and see some of the sights we have out here. But this time I wanted to bring you guys along and to let you know that I'm going to be out here for a little while. And over the next couple weeks, I want to be putting some videos out to show you what Quartzsite has to offer. And I think I'll have a little bit different perspective from growing up here. Some of the history on some of the buildings I wanted to share with you guys. And since I do have some friends here, I can get some local history from people that lived here. While I'm here, I'm hoping to get maybe a little deeper dive in at least one of the buildings here. Friends that I know have family roots, deep family roots in this town, and I can get some good information. There's one building I have in mind, and if I have time, maybe try and get another one in. And also while I'm here, I wanted to look at some of the new things they've put in since the last time I was here. Just up here on the right is what I've always known as Scott's Bar, and that is one building that I do want to get a little bit of a deeper dive. I think I have some good information for you guys. Driving through town, I saw this and wanted to do a quick little stop in here. This Tesla charging station, and there's a lot of spots in here to charge up. I didn't ever think I'd see something like this in Quartzsite. I'm glad they have it. It's a great idea. And there's the old catwalk. Been there so many times as a kid, crossing I-10, going back and forth to see friends. And I wanted to come over and visit Kim at the game store, but I kind of want to do a little bit of a drive-by to see what was at the Cellarama, and it looks like vendors are already getting set up. And as a kid, that was a great thing to see, because that just meant that we made it through another hot summer. Yeah, on this end of the show, more vendors setting up, getting their tarps all up. All right. Well, let me get turned around, and I'm going to go back and see Kim at the game store. And if you guys want to see an awesome game store, I'm going to do a little bit of a video on that one too. Tons and tons of games. I got vendors all open up over here too. So yeah, well, I'm going to pull in here, park, and then just remember, never say goodbye. Always see you later.